This unique orchid is indigenous to rainforests in Southeast Asia, including Malaysia and numerous Pacific islands. It lives in forest shade at lower altitudes, where it's based in a warm and moist environment. Their rounded, broad leaves have a velvety texture and feature thin, webbed lightning bolts of a lighter color on a dark green background. The remarkable netted pattern sparkles in sunlight and produces an electric effect. An excellent candidate for a terrarium. The Mecodes petala can also flourish as a regular houseplant if optimal moisture is maintained. Maidenhair ferns needs partial to full shade, high humidity, continually moist soil, and temperatures of 60 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit to thrive. Provide fertile, well-drained soil with lots of organic matter and fertilize monthly with a balanced, liquid or water-soluble fertilizer during the growing season. The nerve plant, or Phytonia, is an eye-catching houseplant that is popular for use in hanging baskets, container gardens, and terrariums. Since they are native to tropical rainforests, nerve plants prefer conditions similar to the rainforest floor. This plant is called the nerve plant due to the shape of the patterns on its leaves. Phytonia is one of the most widely used plants in the construction of terrariums because it is highly compatible with humid environmental conditions. This plant is available in different colors, which in this video I will introduce a miniature red color. Ceropegia woodii is a beautiful trailing plant that needs very little effort to thrive. Provide bright, indirect light, water infrequently once the potting medium is dry, plant in well-draining soil and fertilize every 2 weeks through the growing season to keep this drought-tolerant tropical plant happy. Therefore, according to the above, this plant is suitable for use in the terrarium. Cryptanthus bivittatus is a member of the Bromeliaceae family of tropical plants. It has many common names such as starfish plant, earth star and red star bromeliad. The bromeliad is a plant commonly grown in terrariums.